Do you see a black screen in OBS when you try to capture your screen? It's annoying, isn't it? Don't worry, I got you. You should go to Graphics Settings. Let's browse. See, Program Files, OBS Studio, bin, 64 bits, and finally OBS 64.exe file. Click on it. Then enable High Performance in Options. Neither Windows nor power saving. You should choose High Performance. Save it. Let's restart the OBS Studio. Well, if that didn't work, let's try to start OBS Studio as administrator. If even that doesn't work, be patient. I have a great solution to solve your problem. Go to Display Capture or whatever your source is, and go Settings. You need to change the capture method from automatic to Windows and OK. As you see, my screen is visible. Also note that you may need to enable windowed option in the settings to capture some games. Some annoying games can be quite difficult to capture. Let's meet in the comments and help each other out. Consider subscribing to Mr. Tutorial. You will get a lot more useful information. See you soon.